Here we are in the parking lot on our way to Fox Glacier. You can probably hear and see that helicopter maybe. It has just come from some glacier or some top of mountain somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna go look at a glacier. Making our approach through the valley now. You can kind of see the glacier up there in the tip top corner, round the bend. Yeah, across the stream. Boom. Did it. Here we are at the glacier, Fox Glacier. And there it is, the valley there. And it creates this river that runs through the valley. It actually used to be right here in 2012 where I'm standing. And that's where we just walked from. It was along this road through the valley, following the history of the glacier. Almost back to the parking lot now. And look at that giant landslide coming down the mountain. And the great valley of what was once a glacier, not but 100 years ago.